I was asking for a sign, looking far down the road, but you reminded me, Father, I already gave you my word. So even in the darkest night, I can walk. Sometimes the road gets dark before me, and I wonder where I'm supposed to go. I keep searching for the whole direction, when there's only one step I need to know. Your word becomes a lamp beside me, a little light upon this road. And every time I walk where you lead me, you give me enough light to keep me going. I may not see the mountain, I may not see the end, but if your light is at my feet, Lord, I can take another step again. You are the light for my steps, the lamp along my way. When darkness tries to hide the road, your word will lead me every day. Light for my steps, Lord, shine upon my way. I don't have to see tomorrow when you're guiding me today. When fear tells me don't go forward, and doubt tells me turn around, your promises become my anchor, keeping both my feet on solid ground. When feelings try to be my compass, and my heart don't know what's true, I open up the word you've given and find my direction back to you. Your truth becomes my compass, your voice becomes my guide, and even through the valley, Lord, I know you're walking by my side. You are the light for my steps, the lamp along my way. When darkness tries to hide the road, your word will lead me every day. Light for my steps, Lord, shine upon my way. I don't have to see tomorrow when you're guiding me today. One step, then another. Faith don't need to see the whole road. One step, then another. I'm walking where you tell me go. When you say move, I'm moving. When you say wait, I'm still. When you say trust, I'm trusting. I surrender to your will. Who's my light? Jesus. Who's my guide? Jesus. Who walks with me? Jesus. Every day and every night? Jesus. When I can't see, you lead me. When I feel weak, you keep me. Through every valley, every mountain, your word keeps leading me. You are the light for my steps, the lamp along my way. When darkness tries to hide the road, your word will lead me every day. Light for my steps, Lord, keep shining on my way. I don't have to see tomorrow when you're guiding me today. Yesterday, you led me. Today, you're still leading me. And tomorrow, I'll trust you with that too. Your word is a lamp unto my feet, and a light unto my path. So I'll keep walking, one step at a time.